apologize for the last vlog with his anniversary. Guys, I'm sorry to disappoint you, but there was no part 2. There was absolutely no part 2. Do you want to tell them why?
No, I would rather not.
Somebody drank too much the night before. We wouldn't say who. And we couldn't make to go the next day. So, whatever, right? I guess, I mean, everything happens for a reason, but he was so mad. Anyways, today is his birthday celebrations. And look who we have. We have Anissa in the background holding up some light because it's nighttime. It's like 7 o'clock. So, stick around and let me show you how we're going to celebrate this guy. But not say how old he is yet, huh? Not as yet, yeah. So, happy birthday, honey.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Makan dia with spoon.
We have Daddy and Dave's daddy cooking it up. You know them Caroline without duck. Them is really new people, you know. Them Caroline without a curry duck and the Benny's barbecue tonight, you know. But they had to cook it up. I'd like to present Amos with his drink tonight on behalf of me. Happy birthday.
Guys, just to let you know, this is
She take people thing and put it as she give.
Just to let you know, but this is what we have.
Buy that jersey for you. Who choose that? Hi.
Okay, so we're gonna open this.
Yes, this is what we have in here.
Big something say, only put up thing. You want all that? You'll come here and hold your food.
Yeah. Wait, let me take out some masala. You hold it right here, hold it right here.
You see it?
So the duck is finished. So next on the stove. Oh, sorry.
I'm looking good, boy. I doesn't really be like that, but I'm looking good, boy.
Oh, they find you looking good? I don't know. I find you always looking good.
Take out the garnishing there.
Watch out, do that.
That's the garnish.
Not the garnishing, not the ongsin, not the ongsin.
What's the garnish? Garnish, the garnish. Not garnish, no. The garnish. It looks so pretty. Okay, so next we have the hot fowl. Is this Rita's or Leah's? Is this Rita's or Leah's? Leah's? What's hot fowl? Rita's? So next we have the Leah's. Next on the stove. Who cooking that? Daddy's the chef tonight. He's cooking real good, you know. He's cooking real good. Watch them, 2 of them. What are you guys doing?
Don't worry, now don't come and mind me business. Don't tell she what we talking about, please. Please, leave it in. Leave it.
Hot fowl next, guys. Chef Daddy. My honey pie. Gosh, it's so dark. We need so many lights. So we're gonna take a drink and cheers. We're taking a drink. We're gonna cheers to Amos' birthday. Happy birthday. May you see many more. Although we just argue and fight like catalog, I love this to back. And I wouldn't choose anybody else but you. And you.
He went and dipped it first. You see the color won't show.
Chicken. Look at them. Look at them.
Oh, this is a nice addition to the vlog, eh? We like this to be the old people. The pensioners. We're gonna deal with it.
Oh, right. It's a team. So the young boys against the older guys. And Fidel is on antibiotics. Did we? Did I tell you tomorrow is his child's birthday? We have real Aquarius guest in the house tonight.
Best plant in the world.
I wouldn't say the best, but
Best. The best.
surprise, it's baby's birthday.
It has been said all over the world. Turning 26.
Yeah, okay.
That's the kid.
Alright.
It's smoking, man.
It's chicken, it's chicken. It's like them CD.
Remember Mama? Yeah, again. Mama, everybody likes you. They say, oh, your grandmother is so sweet. Yeah, she is. She really is. Say hi. Well, everybody gets old, yes. But we're still happy to have you around. In all this old age. Mama basically just came for the food and she ate, she packed her box and she ready to go home now. That's the way, that's the way. She said the music too loud. And this girl here says she doesn't know what to say, that's why she just stand up like a little mute. Say something. Whoa, say something. Weird. And look my samosa over there.
Hi.
That's the pork chef there. I just had a little now. He's not just good looking, he can cook too.
Don't know. Manoo. Boom bang.
So we're gonna try barbecue pork for the first time, okay? Let's see. She said she has swine flu. Honey, baby girl, you don't get swine flu like that. Real good. Guys, so we're going to show you what goes into what Sarah and I do before we take a picture, right? So let me go. We acting right now. So we're going to take a picture. And I already in my pose, right? She's so weird. She's the most difficult person to take out a picture with. Why are you so difficult?
Because it's not nice.
But you are naturally gorgeous. Guys, it's cake cutting time. Oh, you want to see the cake famous? I tell her it's a surprise. It's something that he loves to do. Oh, you don't know? Yeah, I know. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we're gonna take the cake now. Here we go. This little stinker is a roulette man. A habit that he needs to start cutting off slowly but surely. So he's a big. Well, you can guess his age. It's time to cut the cake. Everybody is surrounded now. They're able to cut this cake. And when it's 12 o'clock, it's 11:30. When it's 12 o'clock, we're going to be cutting Vidal's cake. Vidal doesn't know us yet, but tomorrow is Vidal's birthday. And Laura has a surprise for him. Why are you looking at me like that? Oh, camera shy. One greasy and one camera shy. Guys, we're going to cut the cake now, okay? Guys, he's 33, he's 33.
Double zero, boy. Double zero.
Let's go. Make a wish. Yes. Okay, guys, and shame on Anissa. Anissa, seriously, it is January the
And she
26th.
still has your Christmas tree up. Like,
And your Christmas tree still up? What the hell is wrong with you, girl? Wrong with you? Anyways, like I told you all earlier, we have 2 birthdays. It is now 3 minutes to 12. And Vidal is going to be celebrating his birthday today. Well, in 3 minutes time.
oh, we're stopping here.
So we are surprised. Well, Lauren is actually surprising him. She went out the road and she bought a cake for him to stick first thing in the morning, which is this morning. And look, we have Mute.
Oh, yeah, me.
Oh, and they're babies, Vidal. This is gonna be
29.
Well, oh, as you see, Amos is 33. So
Look how cute this cake is.
this is the cake. Yeah. So we're gonna stick it now.
So guys, tonight we're celebrating one of our dear friends' birthday.
For the second time.
His birthday is
Today.
No.
right? So we're doing like a 2-in-1. So he's what?
29.
29. He's a baby.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. To Vidal. Thank you very much, DJ Ron Crown.
Let's go, let's go.
Yay! Make your wish.
Let's go.
They can do that after.
Make a wish, make a wish. Make a wish, boy.
Blow there, boy, blow.
Hey!
Yay! Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, so cute. We want to say happy birthday to Vidal now. All the best. Oh gosh, yeah, Vidal. I real short, you know. This one shorter. It'll make you feel like.
So guys,
Happy
we here tonight.
shortest.
We just wanna wish one of our good friends happy birthday. All the best to him and
May you live to see many, many,
Exactly.
many more. All the best from us.
cheers, dog. All the best. Boom.
We're ready to close on this birthday party tonight, and again, I would like to apologize for his anniversary vlog. The reason why we didn't have a part 2 is because we overdo it the night before. We overdo it the night before, we couldn't do it. We're getting old now, so we couldn't really do back-to-back the alignment and stuff. So because it's his birthday, he's gonna be doing the shout out, but he's a bit shy.
I'm not.
So we're gonna be doing it together, right? So tonight we would like to say special hi and good night to Sachin Raghunandan. And his birthday was on January 5th, and he had messaged me on Instagram asking me to say hi to him. Sachin, I hope you had a wonderful birthday. Big up to you. Are you an Aquarius or a Capricorn? That's Capricorn, right? That's Capricorn. So I hope you had a wonderful birthday. Next.
So the next person, Gabriella Harry.
Gabriella Harry.
Hope you had a great day, my dear. Blessings.
Another person, Dana. Dana goes by the name of It's Gaza Chick on YouTube, and she has been asking me to say hi to her.
Anna Bodwa, next up on the list. I hope you had an awesome day, my dear. Blessings. Hope you see many, many more.
And Ryan and Shivani Sunny. Ryan had messaged me today asking me to say a special hi and good night. Well, special hi and good night to you guys, Ryan and Shivani Sunny. Thank you so much again for always looking on and saying and leaving all these nice comments and stuff. It really does make us feel.
Big up, guys. I hope you had an awesome time. Enjoy it. Till next time.
One one love, right? One love. Did you have a wonderful birthday?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Awesome.
Did I officially wish you happy birthday now?
No, you did not.
And it's my brother-in-law, I know.
Sister-in-law.
Yeah, I know. Family for life.
Man,
We find like cat and dog.
No, no, my husband and wife.
But breeze can blow between us. That we that good. We that good. It's one love.
Have an awesome day, guys. Wish you all the best.
Are we
All the
close
best
enough?
in
We ready to
2019.
close up?
Yes,
We
we
close
are.
enough tonight, okay. So we're gonna close up this vlog and Sarah wants to say something to you guys. She says she's really shy and whatnot, so she's gonna talk. So just say, guys, I hope you all had a wonderful time watching
Guys, I hope you had a wonderful time watching.
Lauren, and see you guys in our next video.
See you guys in our next video. Bye.
2019.
No, I want to.
She gone back to the one in the door.
Boom. 2019, guys. Don't know. Big up.
Your birthday is 4th November. Okay.